What we got? What we got? Oh, that's a crappie. I just had my drag set to loose. Let's see what it weighs. Not weighs. How long it is. Where's my... Hey, let's see if I put it back where I was supposed to. Yep, I did. All right, let's see if we got it. He might. Oh, yeah, you keep it. That's the first keeper. 10 and a half. 10 and a half. We like that early in the morning. There you go, people. First keeper. Let's put him in the wheel. Put him in the wheel. One at a time. One at a time. Got him. Got him, people. Let's see what he is. Crappie. Crappie. That's another 10 here. He might be longer than that. I don't know. Come here, boy. Let's try to throw my on. Let's see what he is, people. He look like a keeper. You know why? Because he is. He almost 11 and a half. I mean 11. He's 10 and a half, a little bit above 10 and a half. That's two people. That's two keepers. Well, he just got out here. Two keepers. All right. Let's get it back up. Oh, we already filled it up. I forgot. Kept our minimum. Let's see what happens. I need to get me a rag. And so I can wipe my hands. I have one in here. I don't know where it's at. Fred, you gonna have a fat stomach on there. All right, people. Camera is acting crazy. It's turning off. I think it's the battery. Let's see. He is 10 and a half, a little bit over. Oh, we forgot to show him. Had to make him famous. That's him, people. 10 and a half. That's 3. You can only keep 15 here at this particular area. So we are gonna try to get 15. I will turn you back on when I get hung into another one, I guess. Let's see. Let's see what happens first. Man, these folks don't start coming through here early, man. Turn you back on. All right, people, I'm gonna get baited back up. We'll turn you back on. We got him, people. Don't go in my trolling motor. No, buddy. Come on up here and talk to me. I believe that's another keeper, people. I believe. So, let's see. I need a rag. I need to clean this thing. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's a little bit above. No, that's 10. A little bit above 10. Oh, yeah. We like that, people. That's 4. Yes. All right. Ooh. Let's stay on the road, people. Let's stay on the road. man, come on. There we go. Cast over that. Cast over that doggone pole, people. What angle do y'all like? Cause I'm sure you like the head camera, the chest camera, or the angle I'm using now, or what? What angle would you put the film on? I think I'm going too far out now. Well, I don't know. I got another one, people. We got another one. I guess you want to be famous. This was big one, people. I think. This is least. Oh, shit. Woo-hoo. Yes, sir. We like it. Mm-hmm. Look at that, people. Ooh. He got some meatloaf on him, too. Look at that. See how big he is. Oh, yeah. He 12. Oh, that's what my measure will go up. His tail is right at the edge of it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. One, two, three, four. That's 5. That's 5, people. Ooh, you like it. We got the same minnow. I forgot. You didn't get my minnow. Cast it right on by your left. You will have. Sometimes that thump tap your rod or give it like a jerk once you tighten the line up anyway. That'll get their attention. Just reel it, let it fall to the bottom, reel it up. Once it start moving. Something got it, people. Oh man, I had him. Oh, I should have let him hold it for a little while. I did. I think he got my minnow though. So I'm messing with it again. We got him. We got something anyway. He's too small. Be still. Oh, we gotta get it. Well, I didn't want him to fall back into that way. So now he gonna go up there and tell everybody who he saw. All right, let me get baited back up, get back in my position. I need to buy me another one of them little nets. Sticking my hand in the water. Ain't fun. All right, people. If I get into one, let's see something first, though. Reel it up a little bit. Give it that thump thump. Let it fall back towards you. Something's messing with it. Something got it. We got him, people. This is a nice one. Oh, this is a nice one. Yes, sir. Boat flipping. Woo! Yes, sir. That's another keeper. That'd be 7. And he is 10 and a half, a little bit over, almost 11. No, he's 11 if you count his tail touching the line. Yes, sir. That's 7. All right. See if we can't get us another one out of there. Got him, people. See what he is. Oh, he a brim, I bet. Yep. I could tell the way he was coming up. Red. All right. Let's get back in there. Got him, people. Ooh, oh no! Don't get off! Don't get off! Oh no! Don't get off! Woo! 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 People, that is a nice one, people. Ooh, look at the meat levels on him. Ooh! Now that's a big crappie. Let's see what he is. Oh, he barely can fit in a mouth on him. Oh, yeah, he older. Look at his tail. Yep. He about 12 or something. Yep. I think that's 7, people. Yeah. All right. Boy. Ooh, that's a good day. I'm gonna have to leave the camera on because I lost him because I was trying to cut the camera on, people. Dang. And now let's cast back in there again and do the same thing. I'm gonna lay the camera on because we are not gonna lose another fish because that was number 9, people. That was number 9. Turn that off. Can't stand that noise. That was number 9. And he felt kind of heavy. That was either number 9 for me or number 3 for Fred. We got him this time. Oh yeah, people. I believe that's number 9. Oh, look at that, people. My line broke. I think that Walmart line's still on this one. Oh, y'all, you got to change that Walmart line. I believe that's number 9, people. Ah, let's see. Let's get that measure out of here. Oh yeah. He's so fat he don't want to go down. But he right on 11. So that's number 9, people. That's number 9. We got him. This town have a hook like I'm gonna tie this hook back on, people, and we're gonna turn you back on. We got one, people. I don't know what it is. Oh, it looks like another keeper. Let's see. Whoa, 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 whoa. You trying to hit me in the face. Boy, I don't even think you keep. All right. Let's see. I don't think he is, people. Come on now. Get your hand in there. No, he's 9. He is not a keeper. All right. Let's try again. Whoa. Mill ammo here. Yeah, look at all those things. Let's try. Good. All right. I thought that was number 10, people. We got 9 in them. Oh, they go one. Different people. I believe. Oh, that's a breast. Oh, that's a nice breast too. We keeping him. We gonna count him, people. Ooh, that's a nice breast. Look at that breast. Oh yeah. Yep. We keeping him. We keeping him. Okay. Well, they're gonna be the oh, it's a nice one too. Come on, get up here. Yes. I think there's another 10. There's a 10, people, at least. Let's get him before the camera go dead. I got another battery, but it keep shutting off them. Boy, it hurts. You know you going in the pan. I'm gonna feed you to Fred if you ain't big enough. Oh yeah, that's 10 and a half right there. You know he going to the pot. Yep. Just like Rocky Balboa, he drew first blood. Mm-hmm. He going to the house. That's 10, people. That's 10. I'm gonna try to catch 15. Just in case that battery go dead. I'm gonna keep fishing. When I get to the house, I'll show you. Hopefully that other battery I got in my pocket that's been messing up will finish out the 15. We shall see. Let's get back up here in that spot where I was. All right, people. I'll cut you back on in a minute. All right, people. We just caught another off camera. I think they camera shy. All right, people. We back. Camera went dead. Had to charge it up a little bit. But we did catch our 15.